Alright, so it's 6 in the morning. We're here at the racetrack. Jason's already here. We were supposed to meet one more person. The battery's dead, so we're gonna go meet with him. But this is the Ryker Kingz Queenz 56 Ace Tampa ride out. So it's early, 6 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna see what the day brings, all right? Let's go. When you really wanna ride, you get up at whatever time and you meet up with a group of friends and fellow riders and you go out for a ride. There's no reason you should have a Ryker and not be riding it. Get out there, put some miles on it. It's like a sport, you know. When you learn how to play baseball, football, you go out there and you want to play it. So it's the same thing. Bought a Ryker, make the time. I get it, you got work, you got things to do, but you got to make time for this sport. That's how you're gonna meet, you know, other people. You'll make some friends out of it. Go explore your state. Go have a good time in your state. You know, I'm not originally from Florida. I'm having a great time out here. This is what it feels like out here early in the morning on a Ryker. Here we are. Yo, your neighbors gotta love us right now at 6 o'clock in the morning with these noisy ass bikes.
Charger. And then the lights that came on, but I don't even know if it's charging.
Left the lights on or something?
I think it's probably the lights got left.
Alright, so we weren't able to start his bike yet. Did crank over. Someone that's left behind is gonna come stop in, check in on him. He also had to go get gas, but he'll figure it out. I mean, he did crank over, it just won't stay on. And hopefully he can get it running and meet us out here. So we're just gonna continue on our day. Those are things that happen sometimes when, you know, when you're gonna go ride. So. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. What's up, bro? How you been? What's up, man? How you doing? Got Will, 305 Ryker Riders. We got Mello. Alright, let's get some gas.
It is off. It is off.
Oh, you want me to leave it off?
Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, I was about to say, bro, look, I'll leave it off because I'm like, just cause I don't know how to pray stuff. I'm gonna do the DMX.
That's it. Keep tempo. Alright, circle. Let's don't elbow.
Let's get it.
Anybody else but myself?
What happened?
I think somebody's in the ditch.
No. She says she feels like somebody might have went in the ditch.
about a...
Car kept just going right in our direction.
The thing. As long as you see me in that left lane, you clear the path. The minute I get out that left lane,
That's all I'm worried about. Bro, you still got the hand in look.
You good?
Bro, it could have ended up way worse, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so we had Advanced Auto in Lake Wales. We're trying to get some of these bikes fixed. Jason's having an issue with his wheel. Will from 305 over here trying to get some stuff fixed on his bike.
My name is Jessica. My IG is Black Beauty the Ryker. Can-Am Ryker released November 2018. I went the next day and bought it, and mine was delivered December 24th of 2018. So I am one of the first to have a Can-Am Ryker. My bike started out all black, and this is actually the second design of my bike. If you go on my Ryker page, you can see from where the first design I had to the second design I have now. You know what? And I got the inspiration for the Shadow Black from Mr. Shadow Black himself. And we are my little masterpiece.
It's a wrap, right? You got it all wrapped?
Yes, it's a wrap. I got it from Ryker Riders.
Ryker wraps?
All right, we're gonna attempt to get back on the road. Will was able to straighten out his wheel alignment a little bit. Has a screw he's got to replace, but somewhat back on the road, feeling a little bit more comfortable now. Jason's wheel, he had to put like a washer or something. They did tighten it up a little bit, and we're gonna test it out. City, nice. But we made it out here. Here we are. Got a nice YouTube channel, adventure channel, and I'm gonna check him out. I'm gonna post it in the bottom so y'all can go check him out. My man, it was nice meeting you, bro. Brother, nice meeting you, man. go. High grind right there. Ryker Kingz and Queenz 56 Ace press right there. You got Dede over there. You got Lauderdale with Soul Flow. We're heading back home, and hopefully we can do it again soon. Let's go.